Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Oxygen OS on any phone. First, understand that this process involves installing a custom ROM, which replaces your device's current operating system. You'll need to unlock your phone's bootloader, which allows for custom software installation. Then, install a custom recovery like TWRP, essential for flashing the new operating system. Finally, download the correct Oxygen OS custom ROM, specifically designed for your phone model. Before you begin, thorough preparation is crucial to avoid any data loss or interruptions. Start by backing up all your important data, as the installation process will completely erase your device's storage. Next, ensure your phone has at least a 70% battery charge to prevent any power-related issues during the flashing process. Lastly, enable USB debugging and OEM unlocking within your phone's developer options, which are necessary for the next steps. Now let's move on to flashing Oxygen OS. First, boot your device into the custom recovery mode, typically TWRP, using specific button combinations. Once in recovery, perform a factory reset and wipe essential partitions such as data, system, and cache to ensure a clean installation. After wiping, navigate to the Install option and flash the downloaded Oxygen OS ROM zip file. This step can take several minutes to complete. After flashing the main ROM, you might need to flash Google Apps, or G-Apps, separately if your chosen Oxygen OS custom ROM doesn't include them by default. Optionally, you can also flash Magisk for root access if you wish to further customize your device. Once all necessary files are flashed, reboot your system. The first boot may take longer than usual as the new operating system sets up. For more great financial insights, check the description for a link to a highly recommended book and other exclusive deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.